Hello students, welcome to economics classes. Dear students, in the previous video we have discussed questions based on weighted mean by average, or there were two types of questions, and one question was very important. If we have to compare the performance of two schools, then we will use the weighted average mean. Now today I am going to discuss a few important questions of arithmetic mean. Dear students, calculate mean of the following data. अब बेटा marks more than 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 और number of students 100, 95, 85, 45, 25. This is the question. Now students, we have three choice. Either mean, this is a continuous series. Either mean can be calculated by direct method, shortcut method, step deviation method. Here I will use step deviation method. Now second thing, question is more than a number of students. So dear students, this is my cumulative frequency. So first of all I will convert into class interval. So marks का कॉलम बनाएंगे. More than 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. तो ये बेटा मेरा क्लास इंटरवल बन गया. Since this is the case of more than, my last frequency would be same. तो 40 to 50 में 25, फिर बेटा 45 minus 25, फिर 85 minus 45, फिर 95 minus 85, 100 minus 95, and in this way we have converted into normal class interval. Now I will use the arithmetic mean by step deviation method, and x bar equal to a plus sigma fd dash upon n into c. In this question class interval is given, so you will make column for class interval, frequency, m, d, d dash, fd dash, and in this way you can attempt these questions. So this was very important question. Now second question we have, find the missing value if mean is 23. Now dear students, x bar is given, x and f. So what I will do, in case of x there is a missing frequency. Now I will put it over here, x1. This considered to be x1. Now we have column for x, we have column for f, and mean is given 23. In case of missing figure, we have already discussed that I should use direct method. So x bar equal to sigma fx upon n. X bar is given, and from there you can calculate the value of x1 and you will get the answer. Once again dear students, we have question number 26. Now find the missing frequency if mean is 62. X bar is given 62, class interval 0 to 40, 40 to 80, 80 to 120, 120 to 160, and frequency 6, 9. And here I will assume it f1 and 2. Since this question is of missing frequency, once again dear students, I will use the direct method. So direct method, x bar equal to sigma fm upon sigma f, and x bar is given 62. So class interval, frequency, m I mean midpoint, and we will make column for fm, and then I will substitute x bar equal to sigma fm upon sigma f. X bar is 62, and from there you can usually calculate the value of f1. And the last question beta, question number 28 is very important. Calculate mean of the following data. Marks below. अब बेटा ये लेस देन है एंड क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, तो इसको नॉर्मल में चेंज करेंगे. अब बेटा मोर देन में 10 के ऊपर गए थे, अब 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, और नॉर्मल बेटा 20 सेम होगा. अब फिर माइनस करेंगे, 44 minus 20, 84 minus 44, 120 minus 84, 140 minus 120, and here you can use the step deviation method to calculate arithmetic mean. And formula for calculating arithmetic mean by step deviation method is x bar equal to a plus sigma fd dash upon n into c. So dear students, I have discussed the 4 questions. The way I have discussed with you, it will help you a lot in solving all these questions, and in this way we have finished the important questions of arithmetic mean, and from next day we will start chapter 9, and the name of the chapter is median and mode. That's all for today. Thank you.